Hey, it's Aran here. I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to use linkredirect.io with WordPress. Now, I've already created the page. Okay, so you just create a page. You give the name of the URL. So I gave it the word feedback. And here's the link. It's going to be aranbukai.com/feedback. Now, I've already created this. I'm just going to remove this just so you can see how I did it. I'm going to click on Add Block. I'm going to choose HTML. So I'm going to put custom HTML. Now, the link that I want to send people to, the ugly link, is this link, videoask.com/blah, blah, blah. What this is actually a feedback questionnaire, a video questionnaire that I do to collect feedback from my customers to see how they enjoyed their experience with me. So I'm going to paste the link right here, the ugly link, generate code. Now on step 2, I need to copy the code, go back to WordPress and paste in the HTML. Now I'm going to make sure that this is a public page, so it is, that's all good. I'm going to click on update. Now what will happen is that I wanted to create, instead of this ugly link, I want to be able to tell people, go to aranbukai.com/feedback, and through that page people can then give me their feedback basically. So now I'm going to go to incognito, and let's just say I'm talking to somebody and I say, okay, great, go to give me feedback or on your experience, go to aranbukai.com/feedback. And now when they get this link, which is a pretty link, okay, it's going to now open up the video ask directly where they can actually leave feedback. So no longer is this the aranbukai.com, this is now the feedback page. Now they can then watch this video, choose on the specific answers and so on. So that's about it. Hope you got value from this, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers.